Live Good 6-pack of premium essential oils. Lemon, lavender, peppermint, tea tree, frankincense, and an immunity blend made up of clove, cinnamon, orange, rosemary, and eucalyptus. But today we're going to talk a little bit about lavender. My daughter's favorite. She literally goes to bed with a little bottle of mist and sprays it on her pillow, calms her down. It's a calming oil. It's a way for people to manage stress, because so often you'll hear say, well, you need to manage your stress. It can take years off your life, but most people are like, well, that's great, that's fair. But how do I do that, right? You have meditation, you have nutrition, you have exercise, you have drug therapy if needed. But here is a simple and highly effective solution, something you can incorporate in every day. You can use it in a diffuser. Guys, it's so simple. You can pop the cap off. You can literally just breathe right out of the bottle. And it has that very, very calming effect. And so when you're getting ready to go to bed, maybe put a little on your wrist. If you're stressed out throughout the day, if you're working, you're just getting a little anxious, lavender, lavender, lavender. I mean, it's an incredible oil for managing stress and anxiety. Definitely check it out.